Hello. It's Lucas here. Just wanted to demonstrate that I've come across a lot of people on the internet who wants to have a function within MS Access that can open a map. Either it be most of the time it's got to do with Google Earth. It is possible. We created a map function that actually like a function that opens a map, but in this case a Bing map instead of Google. But it is also possible to open a Google interface, which if you navigate this, we got about 5,687 records with different coordinates. So for each and every one, if we were to search for normally we do search using locality number, which is an alphanumeric system that we use to store individual DEMs, but you can also use a name. The problem with the name is that some of the names you have two DEMs with the same name, so it's better to search using a locality or whatever system that you might be using. But if you have a table with coordinates, you can create a VB script that will open a Bing map or a Google map. Yeah. The nice thing about Bing Maps is that it uses VBA script. The bigger challenge when it comes to Google Earth, Google Earth uses JavaScript. You would find that the coordinate system will be divided by a totally different parameter. When you go to Google Earth, it will be a different JavaScript parameter. So yeah, just a nice little function that you can use. I saw a guy who actually offers a template for $49. And if you want to have full control of everything, I think it's about $99. I've seen the templates. For me, it's a bit complicated, so I resorted to creating my own. Google Earth is by far the preferred map interface because with Google Earth you have the ability to upload your own overlays. Rivers, as you can see, we have loaded rivers as well as dam points. So with the rivers, it's all rivers in Southern Africa. You click on it, it will tell you the length in terms of kilometers. I think others will be in miles. Suffix and the other names known locally, whether it's a non-perennial or a perennial. All this information is what you used when you create an overlay that appears on your pop-up. With DEMS, the same. It's about 5,653 DEMS registered. You click on it, it will tell you a little story about when the DEM was registered, where it is in terms of this alphanumerical system is based on what we call drainage boundary. These two, it's information that we get from the chief cadastral surveyor in Cape Town. It will tell us, like, yeah, anyway, that's not the main story about this. The main gist of this is that it is possible to create a VB script, or that will open Big Map or Google, but preferably people like Google Earth. Another which has this thing of it being able to communicate between ArcMap. You get your stuff from ArcMap, you can bring it into Google Earth. Sorry. So, just for curiosity's sake, drainage regions is where water drains into. If I were to put the rivers on, you can see that this one covers only this few, and it will drain into here. So basically that's what it does. So if you were to find a dam within, as you can see, this is C91A, your dam will be given a locality number based on the drainage, C900. So secondary drainage is C9. So your alphanumerical system for reference will be C9 something, according to the hierarchy of dams from big to small. Oh, what is that? Another nice part of, you're also able to import contours into Google Earth, which makes it again a much preferable interface that you can integrate with Microsoft Access. Let's see. I think I have a nice interface for hiking trail. Yes. So what you can do, you can get contours from ArcMap or other programs that has the ability to be converted into key markup language of Google Earth, or the zip file of it. Sometimes it says KMZ. If it's not zipped, it will be KML. So yeah, it will show you the contours. This is the mountain around our hiking trail, which will be nice. The same stuff, whether it's a hiking trail, if you have a table with all this information, whatever information that has coordinates in it, latitude and longitude, you will be able to store it in your table. Store it in your table. Yeah, in this case, this is the dams. Even the stuff that you would like appear here, you can choose. Mine were the first four: the name of the dam, the locality, and the coordinates. You can decide to put when the dam was registered, the category, the owner group, the wall height of the dam, and so on and so forth. Yeah. If you do like to have this, talk to me. As I've noticed, the templates are offered either as a trial version. If you want a full version, then there is a fee that is payable. But this is like a simple one ABC thingy that you can incorporate into your Access database. Even if you don't have the coordinates, your street address can replace the coordinates, and then when you open it will go straight to where the address is at. So it's either with coordinates or street address. Google Earth, it will also geocode your street address and give you a point onto it. Where is it? The stuff. Oh, nice. All right, that's it. Is it possible? I've came across a lot of queries and questions if it is possible to create a function that opens Google Earth with the coordinates stored in Access. Yes, it is doable. That's another Hartbeesfontein Dam. Hartbeesfontein. That's just a small dam. This is one of the second largest dams. This is actually the second largest dam in South Africa. You go upstream of it, you get the largest dam, which is Arip. The Bushmen call it Arip, and they also call it Harip, and the Afrikaners also call it Harip. Harip Dam is the biggest dam in South Africa. Bing Maps, I like the clarity of the Bing image. Bing Maps image, satellite image. I don't know what satellite are they using. You know that Google Earth uses, maybe they are using spot imagery, who knows. Anyway, yeah, all right then.